Welcome to Fintech Fair Play, where we dive deep into the key stories shaping the world of fintech. Today, we're examining the challenges facing Wise, one of the biggest names in international money transfers. The company is under fire from European regulators for alleged shortcomings in its anti-money laundering controls. What went wrong? How is Wise responding? And what does this mean for the future of the fintech giant? Let's break it down. The allegations against Wise. Wise, the UK-based fintech formerly known as TransferWise, has been criticized by the National Bank of Belgium for serious shortcomings in its anti-money laundering, or AML, processes. According to regulators, Wise failed to collect adequate proof of address for hundreds of thousands of customers in early 2022. This lack of compliance triggered a formal review, uncovering gaps in the company's approach to financial crime prevention. The findings are significant, especially for a company that handles billions in cross-border transactions and prides itself on transparency. So how is Wise addressing these allegations? The company has developed a remediation plan, approved by the Belgian regulator, to contact affected customers and collect the missing documentation. Wise has stated that customers who fail to provide the necessary proof of address may face account freezes until they comply. Wise has also shifted resources, reallocating some customer service staff to its AML team to handle the increased workload. According to the company, 1/3 of its global workforce is now dedicated to combating financial crime. A pattern of AML challenges. This isn't the first time Wise has faced scrutiny over its anti-money laundering controls. In 2022, the company was fined $36,000 by Abu Dhabi's Financial Services Regulatory Authority for failing to conduct due diligence on high-risk customers. In 2023, Wise made headlines again when it allowed a transaction involving a company linked to a sanctioned Russian individual. These incidents suggest a pattern of compliance challenges that Wise must urgently address to maintain its reputation and regulatory standing. AML compliance isn't just a regulatory box to tick. It's a cornerstone of trust for fintech companies like Wise. With customers relying on Wise for critical transactions, including property purchases and large international payments, any doubts about compliance could erode confidence in the platform. Moreover, Wise's issues come at a time when global regulators are tightening their scrutiny of fintech companies. From Brexit-related reviews in Europe to sanctions enforcement in the UK, Wise is navigating a complex and increasingly unforgiving regulatory environment. What's next for Wise? Wise's remediation plan and increased investment in AML resources are positive steps, but the company's ability to fully restore trust remains to be seen. The question now is whether Wise can adapt to these regulatory demands and avoid further controversies. If not, the consequences could be severe, not just for Wise, but for the broader fintech industry. Wise's challenges highlight the importance of balancing growth with compliance in the fintech world. What do you think? Is Wise doing enough to fix its AML shortcomings, or do regulators need to take stricter action? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into the stories shaping fintech and global finance.